This iOS tutorial shows how to build video conference into your app with ZEGOCLOUD. To embed video conference feature, we are going to integrate and customize ZEGOCLOUD pre-built UI Kit SDK into your app. Then users start voice, video, or text chat through ZEGOCLOUD real-time network. It's that simple. Now, we are in an iOS environment. The first step is to create a new app project. Call it the video conference demo. Okay, the app project has been created. Next we are going to add ZEGO UI Kit pre-built call as dependencies. Firstly, open the terminal, navigate to your project's root directory, and run the following to create a pod file. Secondly, edit the pod file to add the basic dependency. Thirdly, run the following to download all required dependencies and SDK with CocoaPods in the terminal. Next, we are going to add a button for your app. Let's open the Xcode workspace and edit the storyboard. From here, add a button and name it, join a conference. Next, add actions to the button that we just added. Following completion of these operations, you can see the button on the app. After this step, import ZEGO UI Kit SDK and ZEGO UI Kit pre-built video conference to your project. We will start by specifying some strings. Firstly, you need to enter app ID and app sign, and I will show you how to find it in ZEGOCLOUD admin console. Here is the page of the console after you sign in. Create your own project. And then click the edit button. Okay, you can directly copy your app ID and app sign here. Now back to here, we keep going on. In our test program, you can use random strings as user ID and username. If you have your own user account system, you can use them. You also need to enter conference ID, which is for users that join the conference with the same ID can talk to each other. You can customize the rules of conference ID as you like, according to your business logic. Now, for another important step. Following these codes to call the API to integrate the SDK eventually. Next, we will help you to configure your project. Open the info.file, and add the microphone and camera permissions to Xcode like this. Okay, now you have finished all the steps. Let's see how it works. You can run and test your app on your device. Video conference can now be used in your app. And that is all for integrating Conference Kit and building conference features in iOS. Let's get started.